Here is how to use Foley samples to build drum racks that are interesting and come up with things that you might not otherwise have come up with. I have an empty drum rack in Ableton and a big folder full of samples that I'm going to release in about a week called Stonewire. And I just start dragging literally anything onto the drum pads. It really doesn't matter. So then what I do is I program just like some kind of pattern to get something to work. This is what I came up with. All right, and at this stage, you just have to like let it suck. And then what I do is I just do the sound design right in the drum rack to try to figure out how to make it cooler. So like this sound is a good example. Some swipey, scrapey thing, kind of boring. But then I put like a pitch shifting thing on it. I filtered out some junky low end. And this envelope follower modulates some time parameter here. But I got this. That's like a lot cooler. So then you just do that across the whole kit. So then the last thing I do is I add in some global effects. So here I put in like some beat repeat, OTT, just for mix purposes. Same thing with the glue compressor. Then I did some funny business with this envelope follower, modulating this EQ, and some saturation, drum bus, and this is it.